Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back with this one. So this one has been requested in the comment section since I reacted to Yungeen's Game Over. This is Spinabenz Whoppa with the Choppa, Yungeen's FastMoney Goon, Who I Smoke. So this one has been in the comment section. Say, oh, react to this one. Obviously, Game Over by Yungeen was the first song I reacted to for Yungeen and the madness that's happening in Jacksonville. So we're here with this one, Who I Smoke. Apparently this one is a this song to, well, Who I Smoke. Yeah. So we're gonna jump in this one and see what's going on, guys. I'm gonna miss a lot of references, so please leave it in the comment section for me. If it's your first time here, please make sure you drop a sub on the channel, and also, guys, like before you watch. What? All right, do this. All right, now that's done. Let's go. Nice scenery on a golf course. Nice summer afternoon.
Hey, Stefan. I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time
Am I listening to the right song? What's going on here?
went past me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I
Listen to the right fucking song here, guys. Walk one.
can just see you.
Drill time, what you cooking?
Hey, when I see you, I'ma push your shit back, boy.
Hold on a minute. Hold on. Why are we doing this shit like this? Why are we starting so nice and calm, then so aggressive? What the fuck is going on? 18 records, big up. Shit.
And I need
Hey,
you.
Stefan.
And I miss you. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time went past me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you.
Drill time, what you cooking?
Hey, when I see you, I'ma push your shit back, boy. Choppa get the spitting through your set, we don't fight, boy. 12 paramedics couldn't save your fucking life, boy. Rod K dead and he never coming back, boy. We gon' treat this bitch like a match, how we strike. Left his ass in the street, this
Drill time, what you cooking?
Ay, when I see you, I'ma push your shit back, boy. Choppa get the spitting through your set, we don't fight, boy. 12 paramedics couldn't save your fucking life, boy. Rod K dead and he never coming back, boy. We gon' treat this bitch like a match, how we strike. Left his ass in the street, this the end of your life, boy. Last thing your ass see a flashlight and it's max, bro. These niggas soft as hell, all these niggas they just act hard.
I'ma shoot this bitch when I motherfucking see you. I don't go nowhere without my motherfucking heat, cool.
Hold on. So after all this madness that's happening, Foley has died, as we all know. Guarantee you 100% that the feds are, whoever is investigating this is going back all over all this fucking material here. All of all these lyrics, they're coming through it with a fine tooth comb, picking shit up.
Last thing your ass see a flashlight and it's max, bro. These niggas soft as hell, all these niggas they just act hard.
I'ma shoot this bitch when I motherfucking see you. I don't go nowhere without my motherfucking heat, cool. Smoking on Lil Peter, I was smoking Trey D2. Free my nigga Max till they motherfucking free you. Knock a nigga out, boy, you could get your ass beat too. Lil' ho, you tripping, baby girl, I don't need you. You could walk 1,000 miles and I still don't wanna see you. I got the whole city scared, these niggas know what we do.
Who I smoke,
Baby,
who I smoke, Tiki, who I smoke, Lil' Nas. And now I wonder what I upset, got a low, I told her drop that.
No, you bumbuckler. over this shit. Bibi TK. Yo, the man I call name, brother. Name is getting called. What the fuck?
So ass B2, look hoe, you tripping, baby girl, I don't need you. You could walk 1,000 miles and
I still don't wanna see you.
I got the whole city scared, these niggas know what we do. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Dinky.
He's taking the fucking piss. No, he's trolling. He's trolling. He's trolling. He's trolling. Mm-hmm. No, sir, he's trolling. Guys, like I said, some of these references is going over my head. I know, but it's fine. The comment section is there for you guys to let me know what's going on. Yeah, right? This is the first time I'm actually tapping into this and see what's happening. Yeah, normally I react to dancehall and reggae music mainly.
You could walk 1,000 miles and I still don't wanna see you. I got the whole city scared, these niggas know what we do. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Dinky, ooh, I smoke, Lil Nas. And now I wonder what
I'm sorry, I keep pausing. This is all a fucking game to these guys, bro. This is all a fucking game to them, bro. When you live like this, you're not gonna die young, brother. When you guys live like this, you guys gonna die young, bro. Yo, you guys, yo. It's a massive joke to them, bro.
Walk 1,000 miles and I still don't wanna see you. I got the whole city scared, these niggas know what we do. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Dinky, ooh, I smoke, Lil Nas. And now I wonder what I upset, got a low, I told her drop that. FNXP, one in the head, ain't got the kite back. No smoking shit in one thing, they just can't get them back. In the splat, back to back, on the block, we double back. My killer make his face go, that's one thing about queso. I split the game, but you know that shit a case closed. One of them dead boys that said all I do is say go. Drop a op, drop a thought, any minute, mighty mo. I rocket when I travel, I'm pistol packing the Hugh. I was lurking on his page and I caught him lacking in Hugh. We let out shots, he got shot and went live. I went thinking like, fuck, man, that bitch ain't died. When they diss on 2 times, we gon' spin a few times. Boss said all I do is say go. Drop a op, drop a thought, any minute, mighty mo. I rocket when I travel, I'm pistol packing the Hugh. I was lurking on his page and I caught him lacking in Hugh. We let out shots, he got shot and went live. I went thinking like, fuck, man, that bitch ain't died. When they diss on 2 times, we gon'
Man said him get shot and them laugh, brother. Fuck, that bitch ain't died. What?
When I travel, I'm pistol packing the Hugh. I was lurking on his page and I caught him lacking in Hugh. We let out shots, he got shot and went live. I went thinking like, fuck, man, that bitch ain't died. When they diss on 2 times, we gon' spin a few times. Like 2, 3, but 2, 3, let her run till you die. Jump out that shit with sweet till we find out the drop. Find out where that boy working, then boy clock the mind. Ooh, I smoke, baby, ooh, I smoke, Dinky, ooh, I smoke, Lil Nas. And now I wonder.
Yo, I know for a fact that the feds are going over these lyrics right now. Trying to piece together what the fuck happened to Folio. I know, bro. Oh my God. Thanks to the person that's in the comment section that to say react to this, bro. Cause, yo, let me know which song to react to next, bro. You see, this to me, this is the ultimate self-snitching right here. I don't care. I'm not from America. I'm not in the gang culture. None of that shit. No, I'm not. So me I go talk. I don't give a fuck. This is self-snitching right here. And then when police lock them down, when the feds caught up to them and say, yo, come, your time, prison, they be speculating and say, yo, who snitched? No one snitched, bro. You did. No one snitched, bitch. You did. Publicly on a record, motherfucker. It's on YouTube, motherfucker. Bro. It's got, let me see how much views this shit got. This shit got, what, 50 million views at the time of reacting to it. 3 years later for me. 50.7 million. Are you telling me not even one member from the fucking feds has seen this? Bro, you self-stitching out here, bro? Yo. Yeah. can I say the ad libs in this is fucking crazy. The ad libs in this when he say, "Who I smoke," he said the name, then he says, "I miss you." Yo, this is all again to these niggas, bro. Whoa, yo, I guys, make money, uplift yourself, uplift your family, uplift your friends, uplift your community, bro. Live a better life. Move out of the hood, bro. Live a better life, bro. And just live, love, and laugh, bro. That's all I say. If you're new here, please just drop a sub. Let me know in the comment section who to react to next, and I will definitely, because right now I'm on a spree of reacting to other music apart from dancehall and reggae music. I'm reacting to a bit of K-pop music. So I'm here now with some more rap. So let me know who to react to next, and I'll definitely do that. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Shit!
Jamaica's worst gamer.